All right, so we are at the Sunrise parking area. We're gonna explore and we're gonna have a good time and we're gonna kick our own asses. We've reached our first destination here along our hike at the Sunrise area. This is the Fremont Lookout Tower. We're standing on it right now. You can't go in the tower, which is fine, but we get this platform. Honestly, if you look over there, hi Rainier. If you look over there, there's actually better views from the rocks anyway, so we're probably gonna actually like just take a moment and relax on the rocks. Just wanted to pause. Now walk around, Jess. But you do get pretty much 360-degree views here, which is really, really nice. Now obviously today it's smoky, so not getting the greatest experience, but you know, in person we're getting better than the pictures and video will show. And at least we're able to see Rainier, which was a concern before we came. This is where we're taking a break. We are up in the sky. Marvin on the rock. Marvin on the rock. Whoa! Taking off too. All right, so after our marmot encounter, we have to work our way along this thin trail along the edge of the ridge. And then we'll be heading to Burroughs Mountain. Well, I'm here at Burroughs Mountain. I believe this is First Burroughs. I'm looking out now on where we came from. That big line running across the sort of the top part of that ridge is the Fremont Lookout Trail where we came from. And then if you turn around this way, we've got just splendid views of Rainier. It's just so close here. And right there is Second Burroughs, I believe, where we're going to be heading to. Going to take a look out this way to peaks to the east or northeast. Looking good right now. Part of what makes Rainier so fascinating is not just the awesome big peak, but just this immense collection of jagged sub-peaks. Thank you.
Total time 4 hours.
This right here, one of the best views here that we've gotten. I love the way the trail just frames the mountain right behind it. So cool. It looks like we're climbing to the face of Rainier itself. Unfortunately, that's not the case, but we'll get pretty darn close. We are up to what looks to be the main viewing area here on Second Burroughs. We've really got the mountain in the most full view we've ever seen it. This is pretty cool. Unfortunately, we didn't quite beat the sun with the level of haze and smoke in the area. Looking into the sun at all is pretty much a lost cause. Now we're going to go over here and have a look at these sub-peaks. I can't quite remember the exact name. I know it's something like the Tatoosh Range, I think. It may not be, that might be on another part of Rainier. But either way, these are all Rainier's little buddies.
Candle